and people don't even know that I feel like I'm at home in sweatpants. Hey you guys, the Doc is Hope here and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm bringing you guys a pattern review. I will be reviewing Simplicity. There we go, Simplicity pattern number 8378. So I've talked about these pants many times before, but this time I just wanted to do a complete review to give you guys all the goodies and all the things that you must know about this wonderful pattern. Definitely, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up down below. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you go ahead and do that so that we can continue to hang out together and you can catch these videos. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and get into the review. So I haven't made many pair of pants since I started sewing again. I think I've maybe made 2 or 3 pair of pants. So yes, Simplicity 8378. Hands down, this is my absolute favorite pair of pants, and I'll tell you why. And it's one of those pattern hacking ones. I don't know if you can see right there at the top. It says pattern hacking, right? So you can pretty much make any kind of pants you want with this pattern. And guys, it only has 3 pieces. Yes, I repeat, 3 pieces. So you're not going to be cutting out pattern pieces all day and cutting out fabric all day. This is amazing, and the way these pants fit, I might have paid $30–40 for this pattern just because it's just worth it. Okay, so they have 5 different options of which pants you can sew. The lady on the front is wearing like the wide leg version. I made number 4, which is this tapered leg version, and I'll put a picture of how mine turned out here. Number 5, so I had the waistband and then the bottom bands on the legs just to give it that tapered look, which I just love with a good heel. And then they have like this, I guess that's like an asymmetrical type of pant. That could be cute, definitely for like summertime when you want something, or spring flowy. If you made that in like a floral print or like a butterfly print or something like really nice like that, I could see that. And then number 4 is just like this straight leg version of these pants, which I think would also be really cute. So the reason I love this pattern, there's so many reasons. So it literally inside goes from size double X small, extra small, to double XL. So you got like all the sizes in this one package. You know, normally it's like 14 and up, 6 to 14. You got everything in this one package, so I thought that was awesome. So yeah, you guys, I made these pants with their knit. It's a knit pant, so I made them with like this thicker cotton blend, and they are so warm and so comfortable. I said in another video that they're like pajama pants because you literally just put them on and you feel like, I hope people don't know how comfortable I am, but I'm really comfortable and I'm out in the world and people don't even know that I feel like I'm at home in sweatpants. And so guys, these pants have pockets. Look at that, hand in the pocket. So the pocket is actually one of the 3 pieces. So you can only imagine how simple these are to put together and how quick and easy. So I also love this pattern because of the fit of the pants. Like I said, sometimes you make pants and it's like, they're all right, you know, I might wear them and, you know, whatever. but these pants fit so well. I don't think that you would be disappointed with the fit of these pants. So I made mine out of, like I said, a cotton blend knit, and it had a print on it. So it's like a plaid type of print, black and white. And when I cut them out and tried to put them together, I was like, oh, my plaids don't match. One side of my plaid starts here and the other starts here on the pants. But after I put them together and finished sewing them, I was like, you know, I kind of like it. It's kind of cute. And it's different. Like, nobody else is going to have these pants in the world, because even if they pick the same fabric, same print by any chance, their plaids probably won't be mismatched like mine. But I'm not a perfectionist when it comes to sewing. Well, in most things when it comes to sewing, one of those things. I think stripes should match, but plaids, in this case, I got away with it, and I feel like it just turned out really cute. So you guys, the instructions on this pattern are super straightforward, very easy to follow, not many steps. You know, sometimes you open up the pattern and it's like, oh, 50 steps. All right, I'm gonna be here for about a week, but this is not one of those patterns. Let's see. Also, as far as fabric choices go, they do recommend, again, a knit. They do recommend, of course, a stretch knit. So interlock, jersey, spandex blend, and then it says extra fabric to match plaids. Yeah, so next time if I use a plaid, I'll match my plaids. But yeah, guys, you know, go out there and find yourself a knit and have fun with these pants, because they're just good pants. I will definitely make these pants again. I haven't made them again already, only because I've been sewing other stuff, but it's one of those that stays at the beginning of my pattern stash, because I'm like, okay, I'm gonna make those again, probably in gray and purple and navy blue and some other prints, I don't know. I'm one of those people who, when I find something good, like a good shoe, I might buy it in more than one color. So with these pants, I plan to have a nice little stash of pants in different views, or different makes, or different styles rather. So I'm really excited about this pattern. Hopefully you guys will pick it up again at Joann when it's on sale, or anywhere else when it's on sale, and sew these pants, and tell me in the comments below once you sew them how they turn out and how comfortable they are, because I really would like to know. All right, you guys, well, hopefully you enjoyed this video. As always, I enjoyed making this video for you guys. Again, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up below. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that we can continue to hang out together. And until next time, you guys, I will see you later.